Hello there, I'm Wayne and welcome to Musical Instrument Quizzes and More. This video featuring question 25 to 33 is the fourth in our musical instrument test series. Inspired by my video, identify all 33 orchestral instruments with this fun quiz. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a link in the description or you can click on this link to watch it. Viewing this video will provide a solid foundation for tackling these tests. If you are new to my channel or a returning visitor, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more musical insights and advice, quizzes, composition tips, music theory and piano tutorials. Your support helps me create more content like this and also to grow this channel. Since this is a test, no answers will be provided in the video. You will need to match the audio file in column A, which is the instrument sound, with the corresponding instrument name in column B by writing the number of the instrument name next to the correct audio file. I will be uploading the answers in a separate video in a few weeks' time, but it will only be available for a limited time, so be sure to watch for that. You will also notice that the instrument names in column B are conveniently divided into groups corresponding to the sections of the orchestra. This should help you identify the instruments more easily as you match them with the audio file. Now here are some clues to help you to get the correct answers. When you hear the instrument sound, first identify which section of the orchestra you think the sound belongs to, which could be the woodwind section, the brass section, the percussion section, or the string section. Then narrow down your choice by selecting the correct instrument name. Enjoy the challenge and let me know how you did in the comments. Audio number 25. What musical instrument do you hear? Audio number 26. What musical instrument do you hear? Audio number 27. What musical instrument do you hear? Audio number 28. What musical instrument do you hear? Audio number 29. What musical instrument do you hear? Audio number 30. What musical instrument do you hear? Audio number 31. What musical instrument do you hear? Audio number 32. What musical instrument do you hear? And our very last audio for this test is audio number 33. What musical instrument do you hear? Please can I ask you to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on up and coming material and videos. Your support helps me to grow this channel and allows me to carry on making content like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day.